Hey everyone, this is Rob Gonzalez from PereGonza, the attorneys, and today we're going to talk about what everybody is thinking, and that is, can Meghan Markle and Prince Harry sue the royal family for discrimination? And regardless of whether you believe the allegations or not, the answer is maybe. Now let's talk about it from an employment sense. Now let's say in a dream world that the royal family were a corporation in the state of Florida. If the royal family were a corporation in the state of Florida, we can make the argument that Meghan Markle and Prince Harry are both employees of the royal family. Now, as employees, they cannot be discriminated against because of their race and several other protections that the federal government gives them. Now, if they complain about some sort of discrimination and they're treated differently, even if that discrimination is not towards them directly, they can still file a lawsuit. Now, let's talk about the allegations. The allegations are that allegedly someone within the royal family told both Meghan Markle and Prince Harry that that there was concerns about their child's skin color as to how dark the child would be, right? Aside from that, they were allegedly also told that the child was not going to receive any type of special name as a prince, or that the child was also not going to receive any type of protection from the royal family because of the color of his skin. Now, allegedly, they complained about this, and this drove them to leave the royal family. Now, if we look at it simply from an employment setting, you don't have to be discriminated yourself to file a claim, okay? If you see somebody is being discriminated against and you complain about it and then you're treated differently or forced out, you can definitely file a claim against the company. Now, let's talk about the allegations, because there is no smoking gun here. There is no factual evidence, nothing that we can touch. There's not a recording of the Queen. There's not a recording of a member of the royal family saying these things. But there is something called circumstantial evidence. And in employment law cases, a lot of times circumstantial evidence is what's going to make the case, which is going to be all these allegations that they could have said this. Now, they're going to have to prove that they didn't say this, and the other side is going to have to prove that they did say this, and there's many different ways that we can prove this through circumstantial evidence. We would have to see how the case would carry out. I'm not saying that they would win, but I am saying that they would be able to file the claim against the royal family in the state of Florida. Discrimination claims are very serious, and if you feel like you've been discriminated or retaliated against at work, you need to speak to an attorney immediately. Now, at PereGonza, we take these cases on a contingency fee basis, and that means that we don't get paid unless you win the claim.